Are you planning to visit Dubai but confused about the visa process? Don't worry. In this guide, I will explain step by step how to apply for a Dubai tourist visa from India in 2026. We will cover following things in this video. First is who needs a visa. Secondly, what type of visas you can apply for. We will also see if you are eligible to get on-arrival visa or you need to apply E-VSA ahead of time. Next, we will also cover which documents are required. How much is it going to cost you to get Dubai tourist visa? I will also share important tips to avoid rejection. Let's get started. I have already uploaded a detailed video on how to apply visitor visa for Canada and USA, which got so much love from everyone. Many people watched it and actually applied for their visa themselves without any agent, and which helped them to save a lot of money. In this video also, I will guide you how to apply for Dubai tourist visa by yourself, and there are many ways you can apply for UAE or Dubai visa. Here I want to mention, if you hold an Indian passport, you usually need a tourist visa before traveling to Dubai. So apply independently and save money. Next, before we dive in, if you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for the latest updates, tips and tricks on immigration. If you have any question about this whole process, please reach out us at our Instagram page, Can Visa Pathway. Let's move. There are two types of tourist visas. First is visa on arrival for Indians. Yes, Indians do get visa on arrival in Dubai, but there are some terms and conditions to get on arrival visa for Dubai. I personally took visa on arrival for myself and will provide more details how you can get it as well. Second option is applying for an e-visa before traveling to Dubai. You do not need to go anywhere. You can get e-visa sitting at home. So here we will discuss both processes in detail, and I will also explain what is the cost of each kind of visa. Let me explain to you step by step. First, visa on arrival. Indians are allowed to have on arrival visa. You can land in Dubai and get the visa on arrival. But condition is that Indian citizens who hold an Indian passport must also hold a valid visa of the US or a US green card or a residence visa of the UK or a residence visa of the European Union, which means if you have B1 or B2 visa for US, then it works. It also works if you have green card of US. If you fulfill any of these four requirements, then you will get an on-arrival tourist visa for 14 days in Dubai, which is the maximum stay. However, let's say if you want to stay longer, you can extend it also once you are in Dubai. In my case, since I already had a valid US visa, I was eligible for the visa on arrival in Dubai. Just make sure your US visa has at least 6 months of validity left from the date you arrive in Dubai. That's a must. Once that condition is met, you can easily get your visa at the airport itself. Now the next question, how much did it cost on arrival visa? It cost me 253 dirhams, which is roughly 6,100 rupees in Indian currency. So yes, getting a visa on arrival is not just cheaper but also incredibly fast. Within just a few minutes at the Marhaba counter, they checked my passport and also verified if I have US visa, after which they printed a quick receipt and took the payment and handed me a visa slip right there. After that, I simply walked over to the immigration counter with that slip, and honestly, the whole process was super smooth. No long queues, no confusing questions, no hassles at all. I paid 253 dirhams right there on the spot. You can pay in cash or card, either hand over the dirhams or just swipe your credit card, and boom, your visa is issued instantly. But remember, this visa on arrival option only works if you meet any of 4 eligibility conditions. So it's not something everyone can use. It's only for people who already have a valid US visa, green card or a residence permit from the UK or the European Union. Let's move second option, applying for an e-visa online. Open your Google browser and search Dubai tourist visa from India on Google. You'll see hundreds of websites pop up, which makes it even more confusing. You can apply Dubai visa using different websites, but there are a couple of websites which makes it easy for you to apply for Dubai visitor visa. The first website where you can apply UAE visa is MakeMyTrip.com. We will discuss whole process later in this video. Another website which I personally like is visa2fly.com. This website is little cheaper and will save you some money. It is totally up to you which website you want to use to get UAE tourist visa. Let's move. A lot of people apply for their Dubai visa through MakeMyTrip. So on your browser search Dubai visa MakeMyTrip and click on this link. Here you can see that it will cost you 6,900 rupees per adult plus around 1,000 rupees as a service fee. Now the good part is the visa process is very simple. When you start your visa application, then you need to upload a few basic documents. For example, first and last page of your passport. Next, you need to upload 45 by 35 millimeter photo with white background. Then you need to upload a return flight ticket. You can book a return ticket or you can also book a dummy ticket for visa purpose. I have made a detailed video on how to book a dummy ticket. Next is hotel booking proof. But if you're staying with friends or family, then you need provide their Emirates ID and tenancy contract. After that, you pay online. If anything is missing, a visa consultant may contact you. Once payment is done, your application is submitted to UAE Immigration. Finally, you get your visa decision in about 5 working days and your e-visa comes directly to your email. That's it. Next, let's click on Get Started. Then provide dates on which you want to travel to UAE. I will select from January 15th to January 19th. Next, provide information of person who is traveling as per your passport. Click on Continue button. If there is more than one person traveling, then add another traveler. Let's move. Click on Continue button again. Now here you can select different category of visas, but I will select regular visa because this is the cheapest visa for Dubai. Click on Next. So here you need to upload all relevant documents. You can check detail of each document under View Document List and Guidelines, which will provide you clear idea what kind of document you need to upload. I suggest you to check all section one by one before you upload documents. Now let's upload your passport first page and last page by clicking on Add button. Make sure you upload first and last page of your passport. Next, upload your 45 by 35 millimeter photo by clicking on Add button. Next is your round trip flight tickets. Please upload here. In case there are multiple attachments, then upload them multiple times. Moving forward, you need to upload your accommodation details, the place you are going to live. If you're living at a hotel, then provide hotel details. But if you are going to live with a friend or relative, then provide details here as we discussed before. Lastly, you need to provide all details to complete this form. Make sure you provide information as per your passport. Once you are done, then click on Continue button. Next, provide your email address where you will get your e-visa and also provide your mobile number. Once done, you need to pay around 7,900 rupee and submit this application. Here you can see that your visa is single entry 30-day visa. You will get your visa around January 7th, so you need to apply ahead of your travel plan to have enough time to get approval. As you can see that it is quite simple to apply for UAE e-visa. There is another website which is little cheaper than MakeMyTrip.com. We will quickly go over that website as well. Again, open your browser and search here visa2fly.com and click here, enter your destination. So in our case, we will search Dubai. Then click on tourist. This will bring you on this page where you have different kind of visas for Dubai. For this video purpose, I will click on 30 days single entry. Here you can see that this is little cheaper as compared to MakeMyTrip.com. And if we submit our application today, we will get visa by January 7th. Let's click here. So here you can see visa schedule, which provides details about when you will get your e-visa. Next, under documents, you can find checklist or list of documents required to get UAE e-visa. The document list is similar to MakeMyTrip.com documents. Now, if you want to apply for e-visa, then click on continue button and submit your application after providing relevant information and documents. In short, you can use any website out of two to get you Dubai visa. If you still have any question regarding visa process, then you can reach out to me. I hope you guys find my videos useful. I always try to bring videos which could help you and help you learn and be independent. If you like our video, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your applications.